Sup everybody, good morning. We're gonna do a video. I'm just cracking packs with Zach. I'm gonna open these up and then I'll pause the video, open them all up, and then he can get into it. It's a pretty big opening. It's gonna be a Gyarados tin, Raichu tin, and a Charizard box. So just give us 1 sec and we'll be right back.
Yeah. Welcome back with Cracking Packs with Zach.
What's up, everybody?
Today, we're gonna get some hidden fates, so let's get into it. And here are the code cards for the 3 boxes.
This pack here, this is the Gyarados tin. This is the Raichu, or the Charizard box.
Raichu.
And there's some code cards. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Alright, so let's just put a big stackaroo.
Dad, you dropped the Charizard.
Oh. Let's get some Charizard luck today.
There's 4 Charizards. Charger.
We brought out the...
Well done. Mew. Let's go.
We brought out the PSA 10. Just so that we can get some...
Luck.
Charizard luck. Okay, remember how I showed you just now?
Yeah.
No. Like this. Hold the pack like that. Boom. And
Okay.
then it's open.
Go card.
Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4.
There you go.
What do you guys guess?
Let's skip the guess energy. It takes too long.
Magmar.
Misty's.
City Gym.
Okay. Sabrina's Suggestion.
City.
Yep.
Sabrina's Suggestion. Cubone. Geodude. Slowpoke. Clefairy. Jigglypuff. Ooh.
Boom! First pack, Electro GX.
Nice.
Beautiful. That's an awesome looking card.
Rare Eevee.
Nice. Okay, hold on 1 sec. Go grab us our sleeves.
Oh,
Da birds.
I'm keeping this Eevee. Please.
Here's da birds.
That's the Hidden Fates one.
Yeah, that's an awesome Eevee. Keep it to the side there. Just no, just gentle.
Today at my house we had some water in the pool because we took all of it out, but still
A couple inches were left in.
And then it froze.
Yeah, it's getting to be winter in Canada now. Yeah, just hold it from the top, like you're doing it. Here, I'll crack some of these for you. That one's cracked.
Hey, that's kind of funny. We just got an Electro and then the Voltorb.
That one's
Code
cracked.
card. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I really wanted to, I can get this and it would be the rare.
Yes, but you're not. We gotta build up suspense.
I mean, you guys can play along. You can just comment the energy. We're not going to do it because it takes too long.
There you go. Oh, they're all cracked at the top.
Thank you, Dad.
Call them out.
Puff, Misty's.
Hold them so the light can be on. They can see it.
Snorlax?
So, is Snorlax your rare?
I guess.
Yep. Non-holo rare. It's all good.
That's okay. It's not like I'm going to cry.
We don't get awesome pulls every time.
Daddy, if I didn't do the card trick, where would the GX or where would
It would be 4th to last.
So it'd be...
Whoa. Just keep doing what we're doing. Code card. Manic about magic and cracking packs with Zach. Nothing better on a Sunday afternoon. Sunday morning. What am I saying? Lieutenant Surge, Magmar, Jigglypuff,
Caterpillar,
Caterpie,
Eevee, Ekans,
Charmander, Erica's Hospitality, Bill's Analysis. Alright. Yeah. Just put that there.
Bro, that's actually kind of sick. We got a Charizard. We got a Charmander, a Charmeleon, and now we just got and then we have Charizard right here.
Yeah.
That's nice. We got all of the Charizards out. We want our luck. Dad, you know you can go get Alyssa's. Alyssa's is my sister, and she's not here.
It's a sleepover.
She had a sleepover birthday party. Overnight birthday party, I meant. No, I just looked at my rare.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, it was,
no, you didn't.
It was a shiny.
No, you didn't. Oh, that is a shirt. Oh, okay. Well, there's NK. So I guess this pack got messed up. We'll do NK first and Vaporeon, which is pretty good. And then we'll just quickly go through this one. See, Charmeleon.
I told you.
Yeah, maybe that's good luck. Maybe we're gonna get.
Charizard.
Maybe we're gonna get a Charizard.
I'm pretty sure there's another
Charizard pack.
Yeah, Charizard pack.
I think there was 2 out of them.
Yeah, there was 2. What if we get a Charizard?
What if? We'll send it away to get graded with our V.
1, 2, 3, 4. In our Rayquaza and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the right one.
Just count. It'll be fine.
Energy. Misty's Close.
City Gym. Cerulean. Sabrina Suggestion. Metapod. Psyduck. You got it. You're good. Magikarp.
Staryu.
Slowpoke. Voltorb. Pikachu. And Erica's Hospitality.
That's one of our we've keep getting all the.
Yeah, it's okay. It happens.
That's okay. Yep,
oh, there's the Charizard pack art.
I know it. Good card.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep.
Oh
whoa.
Gosh, I did not mean to do
okay.
that. Technical difficulties.
Just hold on.
Technical difficulties.
Did cards fall on the ground?
No. No
okay,
cards.
back up.
Technical difficulties. Again.
There you go.
Should I just do it again?
No, just go through the pack quickly.
Boom. Boom.
Not too quick.
Clefairy. Psyduck.
Magikarp. Chansey. Broxgrit.
Energy. Scyther. Staryu.
And Blaine's last stand.
Nice. We're gonna save the Charizard for last. Get into the birds.
Zapdos on it, or are they all?
Oh. It doesn't really matter if I bend this.
No, code cards.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep. Careful, gentle, yep. Pokemon Center Lady. Metapod. Misty Cerulean Gym, City Gym. Coughing. Atkins. Cubone. Magikarp. Yeah, dude. Pokemon Center Lady.
Mew, let's go.
Non-foil.
I want a Mew.
Non-foil Mew.
I wanted a Mew so bad. Because Alyssa has one. And I really wanted that one. But now we got my own Mew. Yay. Dum, ba-dum, dum, dum. Dum, 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 dum. Dum. Oh gosh. One, 2, 3, 4.
Yep. Metapod. Read them out. Sabrina's suggestion.
Sabrina's suggestion. Charmander. Magikarp. Slowpoke. Clefairy. Coughing. Magikarp. Mr. Mime.
Alright. Well, we got one GX so far.
It's better than nothing.
Yeah, 4 more packs.
2 birds and 1 dubbers and 1 Mewtwo and 1 Charizard. Let's get this Charizard. Hear me, graded Charizard? Let's get the Charizard. Hear me, Charizard V? Let's get the Charizard. Hear me, Charizard that's not graded V GX? Let's get the Charizard.
Okay.
Big card, let's get the Charizard.
Code card.
Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dad, do you think they still sell fidget spinners?
Yep. Online.
That's what I want for a Christmas.
One of them. One of your Christmas presents.
Yeah. Because
Still far away.
I asked Mom. Because, like, I always like to fidget, right?
Lots of kids fidget all day long.
And that's good.
Play Pokemon. Read out your cards. Geodude. And an
Eevee
Eevee.
again.
Non-foil.
The birds and the Mewtwo and then Charizard. And that's it.
Do it from the back.
Good card.
You gotta leave the pack there.
1, 2, 3, 4, right?
Yep.
Fire.
Scyther. Jinx.
Jinx. Magmar. Coughing. Ekans. Cubone. Magikarp. Geodude. Clefairy.
Clefable.
And then Weezing.
Okay. 2 packs to crack.
I want to get a Charizard or a really good card that's worth like millions of dollars.
Yeah.
I mean, this one's probably,
Any of the evolutions would be good. There's one, I don't know which one it is. Vaporeon or
soon that one's going to be so much money. It's probably, like soon in a couple years, it's probably going to be like, probably worth $1 million.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4. What is the Sidekick? Yeah, Sidekick? What is that one?
Psychic.
Oh yeah, I know it.
Misty Cerulean Gym.
Charmeleon. I'm messing up the thing. Brox.
Clefairy. Jigglypuff.
Caterpie. Paris.
The camera's got to focus on it. There you go. Psyduck.
Psyduck.
Oh, and an energy.
Energy in that.
Cool. We'll throw that in the sleeve real quick.
I wanted a Lapras. Yay. I'm getting all the ones I want. Nice.
Last pack to crack. Let's get some magic in there. Charizard, be in there.
Get the Charizard. You hear me? Focus.
Yeah, it's good. It'll work. People can see it.
In 7 more days, it's Halloween. Did you guys know that? Probably not.
Yes, they do. It's the same time for them. Same.
Unless they live in, like, somewhere else, Paris or front. Or
Then it's still only like a day ahead, a little bit.
yeah.
It's Halloween in a week. Missy's determination and Bill's analysis. Well, that's alright. At least we got one big blue and white ball. It's a very awesome card. I just love the art on that.
Me too.
Right on. You want to show them the...
Charizard and Charizard.
Here's our PSA 10.
This one's probably going to get graded a 9.
Centering's off a little bit.
Let me see on the back. Let me see.
On the side.
Does it have any scratches?
No. That's a graded 10 already. That card's mint. This one doesn't have any either. That's
Okay.
on. It's on the case.
Yeah.
So those are the gems right there. All right, guys. Yeah, cool. Let's try to take a picture. Boom, we got one. Okay, till next time.
Peace. Subscribe and hit the like button or I'll steal all your cookies and eat your face off.